Hello and welcome. My name is Mark, and in this video, we will go through the Cloud Portal's IFS, or Infor Federation services, to Okta's Identity Provider SCIM setup and configuration. This will include configuring the SCIM service and agent on both the Infor Cloud Suite and Okta's Identity Provider. Businesses may want to integrate with Okta's Identity Provider and use the SCIM or System for Cross-Domain Identity Management interface to automate and maintain user provisioning with their corporate sign-on credentials and setup on the Cloud Suite. Here's a diagram showing the high-level architecture of what will take place. Configuring the SCIM service and agent on the Infor Cloud Identity Provider with the corporate data center's Okta Identity Provider. Let's start by configuring the SCIM service on the Cloud Identity Provider. Open a browser and navigate to the Infor Cloud portal. Log on to the portal with an admin Cloud Identity account. Once in the Cloud portal, if the OS application is not displayed, select the OS application from the navigation menu. Click on the Security tab on the top of the page. Or you can also select the security card located on the main page. This will bring you to the user management screen. If you do not have the security tab or card displayed, you will need the IFS application admin and portal content administrator security roles assigned to your user account. You will need to enable the SCIM service feature on the tenant. In the User's menu selector, expand Security Administration, and then expand Settings. Select the General Settings link. Under Manage Features, check the Enable SCIM Service checkbox and click Save. Note, once SCIM is configured, you do not want the Cloud Identity email notifications to be distributed. Users will use Okta's authentication to log in. To disable this option, in General Settings, expand Email Settings and uncheck the Send Email to New User automatically when new users are added checkbox, and click Save. Click Yes on the confirmation window. Refresh the browser page. Under the User's menu selector, expand Manage and select SCIM Accounts. Click the plus button to create a SCIM service account. Enter a SCIM password and confirmation password. Enter a password based on the policy requirements shown on the page. Click the Save button. Then click Yes on the warning window. Note, this password should be saved in a secure location and may have to be used for troubleshooting the SCIM connection in the future. A user identifier will be generated for the SCIM account. Make sure to slide the field box to the right so that the entire value can be viewed. You will need the following SCIM information from the Cloud Suite to generate the SCIM agent connection in Okta. You need the V2 endpoint or URL, the user identifier, and the password. You are now ready to create the SCIM agent in Okta. Access the Okta portal. If you have not already created an Okta application for the SSO Federation, you will need to create an application for SCIM to use. In this video, we will use a previously created application that is used for the SSO Federation. If you need assistance in creating an Okta application, you can view the YouTube video for federating an Infor Cloud Suite to Okta. Open the application and select the Provisioning tab. Then click the Configure API Integration button. Check the Enable API Integration checkbox. Paste the SCIM v2 endpoint without the trailing slash into the base URL field. Copy and paste the SCIM user identifier into the username field and enter the SCIM password. Click the Test API Credentials button. A successfully verified message will be displayed. Click Save. Click Edit besides provisioning to app. Enable Create Users, update user attributes, and deactivate users. Click Save. In this video, we will be provisioning users that are part of a group. Select the Push Groups tab. Click the Push Groups button and select Find Groups by name. Start typing the group name until it is selectable from the search list. Click Save. Select the Assignments tab. Then click Assign and select Assign to Groups. Click Assign next to the Okta group, and then click Done. Return to the Cloud Portal and select SCIM Groups under Manage. Verify the SCIM group exists. Click Users under Manage and verify the Okta account has been provisioned via the SCIM interface. Drill down into user details by clicking the drill down icon and click the Activity tab. You will see that SCIM has created the user account. Note, you can now add security roles to the SCIM group, so when users are provisioned through the group, they will have the correct security roles assigned. This concludes this presentation of the Identity and Access Management Cloud Portals SCIM User Provisioning and Management Configuration to the Okta Identity Provider. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to get notified when new videos are available.